In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard. Now, if you can't see microphone icon at the top right corner of it, you need to click on this gear one right away. Then select voice typing on the left and tap on gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. If you wish, you can also tap on this switcher next to emojis on toolbar to enable this option. I will explain it later on. If you don't like it, you can always disable it after tutorial is done. Go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. If you never used voice typing before, click on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone icon. But here is my favorite part. You can click on the microphone icon, and when voice typing is on, click on tiny icon right next to microphone one. Then hit next in the pop-up, select done, and finally use voice typing from this toolbar. Operate microphone button the same way as before. Delete text on the go thanks to this one with an X. And if you enabled emojis option before we started, you will see this emoji icon here. And thanks to it, you'll be able to add emojis to text typed by your voice. If you want to disable this option, this keyboard, you can close it thanks to this X and go back to the same settings to use blue switcher. Now, if you want to manage some of keyboard settings from here, you can click on those three lines on the left and manage all of those options. Like for example this one I just mentioned. And to move your toolbar around, just hold it and drag it, then let go. Lastly, to go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!